Get ready to dive into the world's most vibrant cultural scene and take your career to new heights while staying at the IQ Podium student accommodation in Egham. Embrace your independence in one of the sleek studio apartments that come complete with everything you need, including a comfy double bed, chic study area with fresh decor, seamless tech, elegant furniture, and your own personal bathroom, along with a fully fitted kitchenette. Or live in an ensuite room or two-bedroom apartment and share a kitchen, dining area, and lounge with your roommate. Looking for some socializing? The Common Lounge is where it's at. Whether it's a game of pool with your mates on a chilly winter day or snuggling up for a movie night with the perfect vibes, the lounge is the perfect place to unwind. Feeling the need to work up a sweat? Hit up the well-equipped gym. And when that midnight munchies strike, the vending machines got you covered. You'll be just minutes from Royal Holloway, and a quick bus ride would easily drop you off at Brunel University in no time. Plus, with the city center just 10 minutes away, you'll have everything you need right at your fingertips. Book your green haven today on amberstudent.com.